In this video, we will see how to add ADVPN 2.0 and Dynamic BGP support in SD-WAN Overlay Template. ADVPN 2.0 and Dynamic BGP in FortiOS greatly expand the capabilities and performance of SD-WAN overlay networks and can be configured in SD-WAN Overlay Templates. Let's get started. We will be using FortiManager version 7.6.6. In our environment, there are 2 hubs and 1 device group. There are 2 branches in this device group. Let's go to Provisioning Templates and choose the Feature Visibility tab. Here, we will enable SD-WAN Overlay. Then, let's go to the SD-WAN Overlay tab here. Now we will create a new SD-WAN Overlay template. Click Create New and then give it a name. We will select Dual Hub. And then under the Advanced section, let's select ADVPN 2.0 for Auto Discovery VPN, which is already selected by default here. Next, we will select Hub 1 and Hub 2 as our primary and secondary hubs respectively. And then under Branch, we will select Branches for Device Group 1 assignment and enable Automatic Branch ID assignment. Next, we will fill in WAN Underlay 1 as port 3 and WAN Underlay 2 as port 4. When ADVPN 2.0 is selected, additional SD-WAN configuration options become available for the overlay template. There are 2 new GUI options in this step. The first option is Cost Configuration. The cost value is applied to the interfaces created on that underlay, and the default value is 0. Let's keep Hub 1's value as the default 0. For Hub 2, let's fill in the cost to be 10. And for Branch 1 device group's WAN Underlay 1, we'll leave the default value 0. For WAN Underlay 2, we'll set cost to 10. There is another new option called Transport Group. The default values for Transport Group will be 0. So for WAN Underlay 1, let's keep it as 0 and set Underlay 2's value to 1. Next, let's move to the 4th step and create a new SD-WAN template and configure the template options. Toggle on the Add Overlay to Branch SD-WAN template option, and let's create a new template. We'll give it a name and add a change note. And then select our newly created SD-WAN template. On the last page, we can see the cost and transport group. Let's click Finish and add a change note. Next, let's review the generated SD-WAN template and look at how these cost values are reflected in the generated overlay configuration. The cost value is added to any existing hub cost values. So here, for Hub 1, the cost is 0, and for Hub 2, the cost is 10. WAN 1 has a cost of 0, while WAN 2 has a cost of 10. Overlays created out of WAN 2 have the following costs. Hub 1 VPN 2 costs 10, and Hub 2 VPN 2 costs 20. Next, let's look at the transport group values generated by the template. Here, the branch group WAN 1 transport group uses the default value of 0, while WAN 2 uses 1. Hub 1 VPN 1 is 0, and Hub 1 VPN 2 has the value of 1. The same values are applied to the corresponding Hub 2 VPN interfaces. Now let's go to the SD-WAN Overlay Template tab and edit the template we created. Under Advanced Options, let's enable Dynamic BGP and Route Reflection, which is disabled by default. Click on Next and fill out the change note. We can now install the configuration. Here we see the install preview for Branch 1. The preview shows that Dynamic BGP will be enabled on the branch. This concludes our video on adding ADVPN 2.0 and Dynamic BGP support to an SD-WAN overlay template. Thank you for watching.